Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about volume profile, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
Ernie, what's your take on NASDAQ at all-time highs right now? How does it correlate with the ES? Does it pull the ES up with it?
The best that you can say is that a lot of the NASDAQ stocks are also contained in the ES. So there's a high degree of correlation there. Plus they have a bunch of other more tech-oriented stocks in the NASDAQ. But all the biggest stocks in the NASDAQ are all in the ES. So you're always going to see a high degree of correlation. And if I bring it down, I get a similar view that I got from the ES, where I bring it back to the pandemic. We should see a similar pattern in that we get a lot of volume down here. Let's see, we're not getting everything here. We get a lot of volume down here and decreasing volume as we go to the highs.
Isn't that volume cumulative? So the higher, the most recent days are going to have less volume than a day a year ago or a month ago, let's say.
That's true. So for instance, this node down here at around 13,000 is the result of this price action and then all this price action.
Right.
But we could probably pick off areas that don't contain a whole lot of price action. This area here around 9,000 does not contain a particularly large amount of price action here, but it's substantially more volume than we have currently.
Because that went through up, a down move, and then an up move. So there were three different actual moves through that price action at 9. The very first move would be one that equates to the one that's at the top of the chart. Then the second move down, that just adds volume. Then the next one just adds. So it's all cumulative.
Yeah, it's definitely cumulative. And that's one of the reasons why I like the more mature
data
nodes, because they tend to fill out all the nooks and crannies and define the edges where there's value to no value much greater.
Absolutely. I guess to maybe comment about what we're talking about at the top of the chart, the last few days trading, is that I wouldn't put a lot of weight into the volume profile.
I'm not trying to make any particular point other than that we haven't had a whole lot of retracement here. And so the only thing that I can say about the current profile is that it's immature.
Exactly.
And some of the structural lines that we put in there have to be a little bit suspect, but they're still valuable. It doesn't mean that we should discount it or say, let's not use it because it's immature. It's still valuable.
I agree.
And it's obvious that it's valuable too. It's not like even a question, but you have to have that realization, that acceptance that it is less defined. So if it's less defined and it's not as easy to select a level that is hard and steadfast like it might be at a different level. In other words, if less about what the potential is, then you've got to factor that into your own risk assessment. That's the main point that I'd like to make on that.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.